Hey guys, it's me Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Well, in this very special lockdown episode, I thought I'd make a very simple recipe. Ingredients, of course, like I always show, they're absolutely home style, they're from your pantry. Vegetables, of course, can be added, can be subtracted as per your availability, completely and absolutely. Coming to the recipe, it's an absolute simple recipe. To begin with, this is made in my home when I don't want to make like a separate chicken curry and a rice. It's a combination of rice and chicken curry. I call it a home style chicken pulao. And my mouth is already watering, I kind of take it to another level because I also throw in some vegetables. I cook it with ghee, so it's nice, fragrant and flavorful. You can use short grain rice, you can use basmati rice. Again, completely a personal call and a personal choice. But what's important is flavor per se. It's a combination of chicken curry, it's a combination of tawa pulao and rice. The beauty that comes together creates this wonderful pulao. Let's begin. Let's first begin with ghee, but you can also begin with butter. That of course makes it absolutely street style and tawa style. Once the ghee begins to heat, we'll add in some cumin seeds. And immediately to this, some garam masala, beginning with bay leaves, a stick of cinnamon, some cloves, and peppercorns. Immediately to this, I'm going to add in sliced onions, and give this a quick stir. To this, I'll be adding in chicken pieces. Of course, now it's a personal choice. You can use chicken on bone or boneless. I'm using chicken on bone. To this, let's add in paste of ginger and garlic. And along with this, some spices. Beginning with red chili powder, garam masala powder, and a touch of turmeric. Also at this stage, let's not forget to add in salt, and this would be the salt required for the pulao eventually, so add accordingly and stir this well. Let's start adding in the vegetables, and these are completely optional. Let's begin with some potatoes. These are potatoes with skin and thickly sliced. Some green peas. These are frozen green peas. Some cauliflower florets. Green capsicum. Well, you can choose the colored ones if you are lucky. Some whole green chilies. Along with this, some tomatoes. These are finely chopped. And coriander leaves. Let's stir all of this well. And fry this literally on high flame for 2 minutes. You'll realize and notice that chicken during this stirring will release some moisture. That's the moisture that we're looking at. Once the chicken starts releasing a little bit of moisture, like so, we add in water. Well, you can also add in stock, but because the chicken is on bone, water's just going to work perfectly. To this, I'm adding in hot water and rice, which is washed and placed aside. Stir this well. Check for salt and allow this to cook on high flame for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you'll realize that the water completely dries out and it's just merely bubbling on top like this. At this stage, we cover this, lower the flame and allow this to cook on dum for further 4 minutes. With this, our quick, simple, easy and flavoursome home-style chicken pulao is done and ready. Please let me know in the comment section, one, if you're safe, you're healthy, you're home. That's one, of course, and that's utmost primary importance to us. Two, if you've enjoyed making this recipe. That's also important because we kind of want to know and reinstate the fact that what we are teaching is kind of resonating with you. So that's very important. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried. And stay tuned, stay happy, stay safe.